Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel How2. Today I'm here with an all new playlist in which I'm gonna teach you how to solve Rubik's Cube with the easiest method. To complete the course properly, click on the eye icon given on the top right corner to see the full playlist and all the videos of this playlist for better result. So that's been said, let's start the video. In this video we are going to solve the 4 edge pieces. Now we need to arrange the edges of the yellow cross so that the second color coincides with the color of their side. Here you can see the blue is matched with that side, red edge has matched with red side, the green edge has also matched with the green side, and finally the orange edge has also matched with the orange side. But in this case that's not matched either. None of them has already matched. So at first find one or two edges that are already in place. Just match the orange with orange color and they are not matched. Just turn it once and there we have got two edges that are already in position but they are not solved. Now place one solved edge on your right and the other on the back, and the unsolved edges, one of them will be in front of you and the other one will be on the left side. Now perform the algorithm R U R prime U R U U R prime U. Now you can see the edges are solved. But if you don't find any of the edge, then just perform the algorithm again. R U R prime U R U U R prime U. None of them has matched. So only one matches. Here we get two edges that has matched. Let's perform the algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime U. All the edges are matched now.